and hello. It is Chef Gregory. Oh dear. Bonsoir and hello. It is your very good friend, Chef Gregory, and host today. I am bringing to you the English favourite apple and blackcurrant ice cream. I've taken the liberty of picking my own apples off a tree. Lovely, look at that. Another full bag full of apples. And at great danger to myself, blackberries from a blackberry hedge. The idea is a lot here. I've got to get them for my blackberry and apple ice cream recipe. So let's just taste these and see. They're not tart. They're lovely. Yes. They'll be perfect. The first thing to do is to stew the apples in cinnamon and sugar. So we've prepared the apples. We now cover that with water. Today we're using this delicious ground sweet cinnamon and some lovely raw sugar. And one for Sid Johnson. Now we can check that as it begins to boil and cook, and we'll just check for sweetness and the aromatic flavours of the cinnamon to make sure that that's okay. Just allow this to simmer. Going to let that stand there now and cool down, and then we're going to drain it. But I just leave it in here. I'll take it off the heat. Let the juices infuse there just for a little while. So we'll just let that temperature drop naturally like that. Now we just strain carefully. Very carefully. There we have it. We just let that cool.
2 hours later.
It's time to bring out the ice cream and just let it melt enough that we can roll and fold. Bonsoir. It is time now to mix the final ingredients, the apple, the blackberries, and the ice cream that I have let soften. Cheers. Lovely. Right then, let's get on with it. Let's mix these together and then whack them into the freezer. This consistency is perfect. We're going to start with 2 bowls. We may need more. So let's begin. by just putting a little bit in the bottom of each one. I'm telling you, I'm trying to tell you. It's delicious. Into the fridge. We'll freeze them up and they will be excruciating. A simple yet delicious dessert from the trees of England and the hedges of England. What more could you ask for? Absolutely delicious. That would go lovely with a bean recipe of some kind. That's me signing out. Chef Gregory, goodbye.
The next day.
Rock solid. So let's sample it and see how delicious it really is. The first thing I'm going to need to do is to put it under hot water to get it out of here. I think that should do it. Voila. The test is in the tasting. Oops. There we go. It's very hard to get it off. Here we try again. There we go. Oh. Absolutely delicious. Oh, the flavours. The vanilla, the blackberry, the apple. Absolutely superb. Absolutely. Well, this is a quantified success. Another excellent recipe from Chef Gregory.